Today we're going to be making cashew chicken. This recipe is super simple. You can find all the ingredients in the supermarket. It takes about 20 to 25 minutes to prepare. You can use it for meal prep or when you come home from work and feel a bit too lazy to prepare dinner. Or you can even make it for your friends on the weekends. I can confirm this last part because I used to make this in college when I was living with my friends and they love the recipe to this day. So without further ado, let's get cooking. The amounts I give out in this video are for 4 people, so do adjust accordingly. But we're going to start off by measuring out 2 cups of rice. Here I'm using Basmati rice, but you can also use other sorts such as jasmine rice, for example. Now this next step, please don't skip it, because wash your rice. Please just do it. It's such an easy step, it doesn't take a lot of time, and it really does make a difference, especially if you can let the rice soak for 5 to 10 minutes, that's even better. I unfortunately don't have a rice cooker, so I'm doing this the old-fashioned way. So for 2 cups of rice, we're going to measure out 3 cups of water. And what I also like to do is add a little knob of butter in there as well. No salt, nothing else, just some plain butter. We'll then put the pot over high heat and wait for the water to boil. And we're also going to put our wok over medium-high heat. While that's all heating up, we're going to lightly crush and thinly slice 3 cloves of garlic, as well as 1.5 dried red Thai chilies. You can also use other chilies, this is just kind of a personal preference. Once the water is boiling, we're going to put in our rice, turn the heat down to low, and cook it for 15 minutes. By now, our wok should also be hot, so we're going to add in our sesame oil and garlic and chili, and we're going to cook that until the garlic is golden brown. While that's cooking, we're going to cut 500 grams or 1.1 pounds of chicken into bite-sized pieces, add it to our wok and cook it until it's cooked through. Now, it wouldn't be a cashew chicken without any cashews. So in a separate pan, we're going to put about 100 grams of cashews and set them over medium-low heat to toast. Now, don't forget to stir them every so often because you don't want them to burn. In the next step, we're going to wash and clean out 3 red bell peppers. We're then going to julienne them into thin stripes, which allows them to cook fast and become soft. Add them to the wok, stir and let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. While that's cooking, we're going to chop up 1 spring onion. Now the reason we're doing this towards the end is because we don't want the spring onion to cook and become soft, we want it to remain crunchy, so we'll add it at the end. Now the sauce is very simple. We're going to add 2 tablespoons or around 30 milliliters of oyster sauce and 2 tablespoons or around 30 milliliters of soy sauce. At this point, your rice should be done, so you can turn off the heat, stir it a bit and let it rest for a couple of minutes. While the rice is resting, we're going to stir in our spring onion and add the cashews as well. The plating is very simple. We just add a couple of spoons of rice and a hefty portion of that chicken. Do be generous because it is really delicious. Finish it off with some coriander leaves and that's that. And there you have it, guys. Simple, versatile, and delicious. Personally, I really love the mixture between the softness of the chicken and the bell pepper mixed with the crunchiness of the cashews and the spring onion. If you like the recipe, do consider subscribing and liking the video. Let me know in the comments if you attempt the recipe yourself and how it turns out, or if there's any specific dishes you want me to attempt. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.